Gizmo loves corn. He eats it like a human. Nom nom nom.
Wow, Gizmo really like corn. I'm gonna grow some more for Gizmo. Look at that.
Oh, Gizmo, how are you gonna eat it? Wow.
Gizmo like corn.
Gizmo, how are you gonna eat it, huh? Oh.
Gizmo like corn. So weird.
Wow, are you gonna eat the whole thing, Giz? Are you gonna eat the whole thing? Take a break? Take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Let me see. Gizmo. Take break. Gizmo. Oh, okay, down. Down. Oh, no, he got